How is Tiger today?
Tiger! Oh, he's very excited because today I'm unboxing my new 2018 with Touch Bar MacBook Pro. 32 gigabytes of RAM, and this is a 2018 model. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and see what Apple has given me. Let me shut this down since I won't be using that pretty soon. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to rip into the new MacBook Pro. Ugh. There we go. Oh, seems to have been okay. And you can zoom in if you want. And here is how it looks. As you know, Apple is infamous for their packaging. Okay, woohoo! Alright, let's go ahead and throw this over there. We don't need that. And this is it. It's very nice and compact, as you can see. Okay. And now for the Apple popping cut. It feels so wrong cutting this plastic, but we gotta get my MacBook Pro out somehow. Okay. And the beast gets down to it. I will put that over there. Ugh. Okay. Oh. And then you just. I feel like I'm twerking my feet here. There we go. Okay. And this is it. Woohoo! Ah, my goodness! Okay. Let's get this thing out. Aha! Here is the all-important USB-C charger. Here is the cable that I will need to charge my beautiful MacBook Pro. What is in this box? So probably some more paperwork. Okay, we can put this in here. Let's go ahead and get this off. Ugh. Ah, the tape. Very clever. Ah. Like I said, Apple knows how to package their exquisite specimens. And then I think there's a sheet in here. If I can get this. Ah, yes, that's actually quite nice. I may keep this because this will probably keep the screen nice and clean. Oh wow, look at that. I open it and it's already powering on. That's what you call a MacBook Pro, people. 2018 Touch Bar.